All right, Jeff from RV Diagnostics, December 26, 27, something like that. Anyway, had a problem at my shop light. They went out. Well, now they're back on. So I found a faulty circuit breaker, but I'm going to show you something here. It was a 15 amp circuit. It's in a Romex, right here. This one, 15 amp, and I replaced it. But I'm going to put my clamp on amp meter on it. Right, so it's on ohms, it's on 20 amp scale. I'll put that around there. I wanted to make sure it wasn't drawing too many amps, 3.6. Let's just call it 4 out of 15, so 3 times 4 is 12, so it's not even 30%. Alright, so let's go look at the other one. I'll put you on pause. And we're going to go ohm out the other one. I'm going to show you how it feels or how it sounds. Okay, put you on pause. So 15 amp circuit breaker. See, I even marked it when it was in the box. Lights. So it's all the way on. But if watch this, you're real gentle here. Look at that. Look at it. Just barely. See, like, oh man, it's all the way on. It should work. And you check for voltage right here where the wire goes. And it got nothing, but watch, barely touch it. Look at that. Now you could hear that click, and then people go, oh man, that should work. Watch this, there it goes again. So let's go all the way off. It popped, right? My lights drew 17 amps, but they didn't. You saw them, they're drawing 3.4, under 4 amps. So now I'll put you on pause. This is where it goes into the box, one leg. See, I barely touched that and the thing moved. And then this is where the wire goes, or the circuit. So this is the feed, this is the load. All right. Okay, as you can see, I got it screwed in here. It's tight. And then I got to put it in here. Let's see if you can see it. There you go. Now, she is all the way over. And it's open loop. Alright, and then I'll flip it. Watch, it's barely, oh look at that, barely moved. Alright, then I'm going to open it all the way or turn the circuit off. So folks, bad circuit breaker, even though you think it's reset, just do this gentle touch. If that flips it, you got a bad circuit breaker. So I'm going to put you on pause. I'm going to draw all these out. We're going to go inside and look at one. Okay, we're back. Remember, this is the part that goes into the lug. It comes into your breaker box. Right, there's the mechanism, there's the spring. See, we're going to flip it back over and you're going to look for contacts. All right, look at that right there. There's a set of contacts. You can see they're fried. That's your thermal part, right? It's burnt. Here's the cable that feeds the 120 in from there, right? Logs in there. Okay, let me get that out of your way right there. And there's your contact coming in, pretty burnt. All right, so here we go. We're going to flip it back on. Put you on pause. So it's all the way back, but it did not lock in. See, this part's got to go over. Is another trip mechanism. This comes over and locks down and holds. Okay, right here. So you see that whole thing. That's all that is basically. That contact there was burnt. This got to go all the way over, hold. There's a mechanism that holds it down, which is right here. Can't move the puppy, but anyway. That's the inside of a circuit breaker. Manual resetting. That's a 15 amps. So I want to make sure, you know, that I wasn't drawing too many amps on that circuit with that clamp on amp meter that I showed you early. And this is the contact that is not staying shut. It's burnt. Look at that. Let's see if I can get you a better light. Look at that, burnt. That one's pretty thick, but that one's pretty much gone. You can see the thickness in each one of them, the little round circles. That was a quick video. Jeff from RV Diagnostics going over a 120 circuit breaker 15 amp. Thank you very much. Test not guess is our motto.